Hey and welcome guys, Philadephia City's MJ
MJ
time.
time.
How you been? I've
I've
been
been
fine.
fine.
And if this is your first
First
time,
time,
then
then
please do not be shy. Hit the like and then subscribe.
subscribe.
Come and join us, have a bite of the One Piece MJ life. Welcome back, you guys. Today we are doing a sushi video, and it's a new one. It's a new spot that recently opened, so they didn't have a lot of like menu options, but they had a couple. So we never had this before, so I'm excited to try it. He's excited to try it as well. So without further ado, let's get into eating. Let me see where I put my chopsticks. So I'll just open one up.
Teriyaki.
Oh yeah. Put some wasabi in this. Oh. So let me start off with this one so I can put my soy up here. So this is their seafood mix roll or nigiri. I don't really know what it's called, but it's rice on the bottom and then the seafood mix on top.
Right, that's the scary one.
Mm-hmm.
How is it? Is it cool? Did you dip it in soy?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it needs sauce?
Yeah. I think so.
Once again, the super amateur with steaks.
I think it's crab stick, imitation crab, and imitation crab has a very like strong flavor. It's probably not a favorite of mine. What do you think?
I'm surprised.
Did you like it?
I actually did.
That's good.
And I was the skeptical one,
Yeah.
but I liked it.
So, this one right here is a chicken teriyaki roll. It has chicken, cucumber, salad, and teriyaki sauce, and it's topped up with avocado, teriyaki sauce, and sesame seeds. This is what these ones right here are called salmon furikake. I'm not sure how that's pronounced, but I think that's how it's pronounced. Then these one right here are crispy California rolls, and then we got some Philadephia rolls as well. So my goal today is to not talk that much and just max, because I'm super hungry and I just wanna, get into eating.
Plus, we have a lot this time.
Yeah, we have
So-
like 50 rolls or something.
We'll see if you finish all of yours.
So that's why I want to eat them fast, because when you eat fast, you eat more. Alright. Cheers. Oh,
All right. Do you want to try one of these dips?
oh yeah.
What was it?
I think this is sriracha mayo.
Not your beloved kimchi mayo.
No, they didn't have them.
Too bad, amor.
I think this is sriracha mayo.
Okay.
Oh god. It fell apart.
Try one of those with the roasted onions on. I tried one. They were nice.
Okay. Mm. Mm. These ones. Oh, these ones had the I totally forgot to tell you what was in it. I think it's cucumber, avocado, and the seafood mix. It was good. It is the teriyaki sauce.
Yep. We have lots of it.
Oh. Yeah, we didn't know that they gave us sauces more than soy sauce. So we bought some.
Extra.
Yeah, we bought teriyaki sauce, and they have wasabi mayo. So let me try that one. Can I get it?
Mm.
Mm.
Tomando chelita para el sushi.
All right, let me try a Philadephia with this one. Oh. Mm. Hold on. Try it.
Okay. Come on, don't fail me now. I'm your friend. Was that too much?
No, just try it. It tastes like just sour cream, like gräddfil. It doesn't not have any wasabi flavor to it. I can't taste it. So this is the teriyaki chicken roll.
I thought it had a lot of wasabi taste. And actually it was even a bit spicy.
Mm. Mm. You can put your beans up there now. I think there's room.
Where?
In that corner, maybe.
I'm not sure what they're called, but they always remind me of the sensu beans from Dragon Ball.
In my opinion, they look like the edamame beans, but peeled.
I'm not sure what those are, but in Dragon Ball,
Not the one
an old
that
anime.
you eat. Like
Oh, the ones that come together in one?
Yeah. Could it be those?
I'm not sure. Not at all. You know, I don't know much about food. Just how it tastes.
Uh-huh.
I just tag along.
Can I get another soy sauce?
Can I get another soy sauce?
The wasabi burns my lips and mouth before it even comes further down.
You made it too strong, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So let's put some extra teriyaki.
Bro, I'm giving up on the sticks.
You do so, baby.
It's getting too complicated for me. You know, when I over concentrate, I start flexing my fingers too much, and it hurts. ¿Qué pasó?
The wasabi,
Too much wasabi, huh?
but it's good. Like,
Oh my god, you should show the soy. It's looking green.
that's
You
after I
actually-
added.
I know, of course, but like soy should be too dark to be. I don't know if you can notice it on camera, but it's starting to look green.
Oh,
How much did you put in?
2 clicks. I think their wasabi is stronger than the,
The
Old
one
Spot.
you're used to?
Yeah. Wow. That was a lot. And that's some spicy mayo. I'm gonna show them what you're doing.
Sure. I'm putting extra teriyaki sauce on my sushi. So I'm using the chopstick as a butter knife right now.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Whatever works.
You get some use of them. It's good.
Really nice.
Yeah. But if I have to be honest, it doesn't beat my Old Spot.
You're just being loyal.
I think.
Yeah.
No, but I really like the creaminess and everything that they do. The only thing I could complain about the usual spot is that they use a lot of rice and not that much filling. So
I love these ones.
good.
Hmm?
They're good.
I love the cheese.
With cream cheese.
Yeah. Really good.
They should have added a little more.
I think so.
Or does the cream cheese come with the seafood mix?
Yeah. Let's see. I'm gathering up my survivors. 2 of each kind.
Yep.
Because I'm organized like that.
Do you want this one? Didn't really
Sure.
like it.
I can leave it for last. I liked it. It was nice.
It was okay.
A bit much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
for me.
a bit much. Should have had less of the filling and more rice.
Yeah.
A little bit. I agree. Found we should have opened one of the big teriyaki ones because you can't dip the sushi inside of it.
Mm. You can put this
That's soy.
here.
What are you doing? Okay. You scared me. I thought it was the soy with the wasabi in it.
No.
Nice. Did you already empty one? Where's the other? Oh, there. I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby.
My attention span sucks. I'm like a goldfish.
That's why I always, when I'm doing something, I'm like,
Wait for it.
just doing.
Just wait for it.
Just wait for it.
Let me see if I can get everything out of it. Okay. Nice. Thank you, baby.
It's okay,
Now I
baby.
can dip the whole sushi in the teriyaki sauce.
Mm.
It's been a quiet video today, right?
It's all about the food today.
Yeah. Since it's no food. And then the next video, maybe she can talk about how this food was. Right?
It's good, but it's not my favorite.
You're being hard on them. You're a super loyal person.
Nah, I am very loyal, but I really enjoy the flavors from the other restaurants and the quality. Ooh, I'm getting full. Oh, I only have 3 pieces.
You've been eating quick today. Good
Right.
job, baby.
Thank you. You see, when I'm quiet, I eat a lot more.
Yep. Sometimes quiet is dangerous. Because when you're not recording, there's another type of limit, you know.
No, you don't have to like.
You don't have to think about anything. You can just force food in you. Even though...
I don't think it's like forcing. It's more like
No, of course not. But you know what I mean, right?
you eat a lot faster when you don't have people to entertain or
Yeah.
you don't talk. Like the fastest I eat is when we watch something.
Yeah, because then we don't talk.
We don't talk.
We just watch and eat.
We watch, eat, and just
Yeah.
And when you're busy like watching something, I feel like you eat a lot faster.
And we do like one-word comments. Like, nice. Funny. Good.
Yeah. We leave like
I
little
liked it.
comments.
Yeah, but just one-word comments to
Yeah.
not disturb the movie.
Yeah. We watched today actually in the morning. We watched the new movie Soul. Wow, that was a great movie.
It was. I loved
It
it.
was a really good movie.
I liked it.
Here's my last piece of sushi. This one will make in 25 pieces.
I would say definitely worth seeing if you're open-minded.
Yeah.
Like some people are, I'm not saying that they're close-minded in general, but they're close-minded to movies. And they're like, no, I'm not watching something animated, or they're all closed up so they don't receive the messages.
Oh, I'm really full. Or I am full, but
I just ate my 23rd.
yeah.
I have
And
2
it's
left.
almost time to wrap up as well.
Cool.
We're at
3 minutes.
27 minutes.
Cool. Cool.
Cool.
Let me see. Let me get this one.
I miss Community when it was good.
Oof.
But another thing I've been watching, actually I started watching it yesterday, and I will watch some of it today as well, is The Queen's Gambit. I'm only on episode 4, but man, it's so good. And
Captivating, huh?
I don't know why you don't want to watch it, because
You haven't given me the shot to watch it because you started watching it when we were having separate time.
you know what?
That's why.
I don't know, maybe for a month I've been telling him to watch this series with me. If not a month, maybe at least 2 weeks.
Okay.
And he's been like, no, I don't want to watch it because he judges it based on the cover and on the name. So he's like, no, I don't want to watch it. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me watch it by myself. So now that I've started watching it by myself and it turns out it's a really good series, he's like, you didn't let me watch it with you and da 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 da. So he can't be mad at me for dissing of this series, and now you want to watch it.
Baby, you know how it really was, and now I'm really not watching it.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. I have my series I watch without you too.
Yeah, that's good, because if we would watch it together, I have to wait for him, or we have to time.
Yep.
So now that I have it for myself, and he has series for himself, we can watch him in our speed.
I'm gonna start watching The Office.
Oh, tell me what it's about, because I don't know what it is.
It's about an office.
An office?
Yeah, it's as simple as that.
What type of office? What type of job?
I'm not sure. Some office, they come with suits and stuff. So something smart, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But yeah, comedy. I've seen short clips of it. It's really funny, so
It's good.
I'm watching it.
Yeah.
I like laid back, relaxed series that
Did you
aren't
start
about
watching
too
it yet?
much. Nope. But I've been watching other animes. That's why.
Oh yeah.
So I wanted to wait until I finished the anime I'm watching it. Tokyo Ghoul.
Oh yeah, I was just
Ghoul,
about to ask
Tokyo
you.
Ghoul. Or Ghoul, I'm not sure.
Tokyo Ghoul, I think.
Ghoul or Ghoul, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a monster ghoul.
I've seen a couple of episodes with it. Not a couple, but like.
You haven't seen out.
And it was out. It was the maximum time limit. I didn't even notice. But as always, thank you so much for watching. We guys appreciate every one of you guys. You truly make this possible, and I would not be here if it wasn't for you and your time. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and let me know. And also leave me a comment. Tell me what type of series, or if it's been a movie you've watched. Let me know. Tell me about it.
Give us some tips.
Yeah, we're really like movie and series nerds, so we really like to watch a lot of things, and we don't have a problem like binge watching.
Nope.
So let us know. Other than that, stay safe, take care, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace, love, and understanding. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye bye.